can teachers effectively plan, document and assess playful learning experiences that truly meet children's needs? In Kindiedays interactive online workshop, Planning, Documentation and Assessment of Playful Learning, you will discover strategies to create child-centered activities that align with children's interests and developmental milestones. You will explore how systematic documentation is the key method for assessing children's development. Learn how to use it to capture their growth, interactions and learning journeys, and how this information can improve your planning and assessment practices. By sharing documentation with parents, you can involve them in their child's learning process, fostering a collaborative relationship that supports growth at home and in the classroom. Join our 2.5-hour online workshop with Q&A and homework to implement effective classroom strategies. Gain tools for meaningful learning through planning, documentation and assessment. Invest in your team's growth today.